Eve Air Mobility partnered with Beta Technologies to supply electric pusher motors for its eVTOL aircraft. The agreement could represent up to $1 billion in revenue over the next decade and supports Eve's current backlog of 2,800 eVTOLs. The collaboration follows an evaluation period where Eve tested and validated Beta's motors in its engineering prototype, with the first flight expected in early 2026. Eve's CEO, Johan Bourdais, explained that Beta's electric motor technology is essential for powering the aircraft during cruise and maturing Eve's propulsion architecture. Beta's motors are known for their high power-to-weight ratios and efficiency, with a proven track record in globally. Beta's design uses fewer parts than traditional aircraft engines, offering improved safety and cost-effectiveness. Eve's eVTOL aircraft features a lift plus cruise configuration with 8 propellers for vertical flight and fixed wings for cruising, alongside dual electric motors for redundancy and enhanced safety. This configuration simplifies maintenance, reduces costs, and minimizes noise. The agreement adds Beta to a prestigious list of Eve's suppliers, including BAE Systems for batteries, Garmin for avionics, and Honeywell Aerospace for external lighting. Meanwhile, XTI Aerospace has postponed its investor town hall, originally scheduled for December 2025, to January 2026, citing the need to align the event with ongoing developments. The rescheduled date will allow XTI to provide a more comprehensive update on key milestones, including progress on its TriFan 600 program, which involves advancements in engineering, flight control software, and supplier alignment. The company will also discuss the integration of its subsidiary, Drone Nerds, which generated $110 million in revenue in 2024. In the rescheduled town hall, XTI's leadership will review initiatives, near-term program objectives, and hold a live Q&A session with investors, analysts, and media. The exact date and virtual access details for the January 2026 town hall will be announced later. On the maintenance side, Standard Aero is expanding its Winnipeg, Manitoba facility with a 70,000 square foot addition to enhance its capacity for MRO, maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. The expansion, which will increase the site's footprint by 40%, aims to accelerate turnaround times for key commercial and military turbofan engines, including the GE Aerospace CF3438 and CFM International CFM 567B. The CF3438 engine powers regional airliners like the Embraer E175, while the CFM 567B is used in Boeing 737 NG aircraft and military variants like the P-8A Poseidon. This investment will support the 1,500 employees at the facility and help meet growing demand from global commercial and military operators. The project is being partially funded by the Manitoba provincial government, which is contributing $3 million. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.